The on-demand services business of Cassava are in the mobility and logistics and in the human capital space. In this clip, we're going to kick off with the mobility and logistics. Here, Cassava operates businesses that deploy technology apps that leverage off the sharing economy in a way similar to how Uber operates. So the main apps in mobility and logistics are Vaya and Vaya Tractor. But in addition to that, they've also got Carigo. Now, starting off with Vaya, this is basically a ride-hailing app, very similar to Uber or to Taxify. It's positioned as a ride-hailing solution that moves people from one point to another through the use of a mobile phone based on an app that links the driver and the client. It also accommodates the choice of a motorcycle because these are popular in many parts of Africa. Now, while Vaya is currently focusing on the transportation of people and goods, it has also developed services for the delivery of parcels and letters on exactly the same platform. Vaya Tractor is very similar, except it targets the agricultural sector. It does this by enabling farmers who can't afford to own a tractor the capability to hire one. Tractor owners will be able to offer their tractors to other farmers using the Vaya Tractor app once they finish tilling their own fields. So the Vaya Tractor app essentially facilitates contract plowing, and it allows farmers who previously weren't mechanized to mechanize. This is actually a massive contribution for emerging farmers in sub-Saharan Africa. It has the potential not just to make money, but to massively increase agricultural productivity and positively influence the lives of people in rural areas. Women who bear most of the burden of manual labor and farming in small-scale agriculture will be direct beneficiaries. Eventually, Vaya wants to be able to offer access to other types of agricultural machinery beyond transportation. They're looking at an ambulance service both in rural and urban areas. The third key logistics app is Carigo. Carigo is a haulage service technology solution. It connects businesses and people with cargo that needs to be transported with the truck owner. It covers all business sectors and it helps to reduce the supply chain gap, making logistics more efficient, and for truck owners, solving this problem of having zero backhaul. If they can solve this, they can become a lot more profitable. Now, Cassava has launched these three businesses in the mobility and logistics space. But the management team have been open and they've said they've got a pipeline of 20 other businesses in this space that will be launched in the coming years.